beef stocks could reach a near record low of 400 million pounds this winter. President of AgResource Dan Basse says that represents opportunity for ranchers and cattle feeders.
One thing the cattle market has to maintain is high carcass weights, or carcass weights equivalent to a year ago. It has to make sure that we have numbers going into lots, and so we have to have beef production that's at least similar to last year. And so we kind of believe that cash cattle prices will reach record highs. We're forecasting between 108 and 112 as a price top, just so that the cattle industry can try to maintain some level of price cohesion, if you will, with corn. That's not to say that those cattle prices are going to guarantee profits, but it will give us at least the ability to keep carcass weights up and other things, such that the beef industry doesn't market animals early because of negative margins due to feed costs.
The market analyst says those bullish cattle prices would be even higher if the beef industry could improve its exports to the same level as the pork industry.
If we could get to where the U.S. is exporting 1 out of every 5 cattle that are now slaughtered today, that would probably put a price up to closer to 118 or 120. That would be significant. It would also show the U.S. retail buyer that there's someone bigger and bolder in the room. And with the declining U.S. dollar, that would cause tremendous purchasing power on his end, and also, I think, create a real competition between the U.S. consumer and the world importer. And so both would be highly desired by the U.S. cattle industry, and something that would help profitability.
Focusing on consumers in China and the rest of Southeast Asia makes the most sense.
The question is just opening up those markets, making sure that we're there to offer our high-quality beef and to know the flavor and tenderness that will be prevailing compared to some of our competition. And so quality is always something we want to be cognizant of, and it's our one, I think, key marketing ground that we'll have working U.S. beef into those Asian markets.
Those same markets represent new competition for commodity feed ingredients. Basse says managing margin, especially input price, will be the #1 challenge for producers in the near term.